Hey, it's Wendy. I help women 35 plus rebuild strength, confidence, and vitality from the inside out. And today we're diving into our new series, why prioritizing your life is the foundation of your fitness, your longevity, and your health. And you know, most women don't lose progress because of age. They lose it because life pulls them in every different direction. Have you ever said something like this to yourself? I want to get healthier, I want to feel stronger, I want more energy, but the day just slips away. Your workouts get pushed to tomorrow. Your walks get replaced by chores, and by the end of the week you wonder why nothing's changing. How do I know? Because I've lived this. There was a time when I wanted to feel better in my body, but life just kept getting louder. Everyone else's needs came first. My goals came last. The turning point came when I stopped saying I don't have time and I started asking myself a better question. What needs to change so I can have the fitness and the strength that I want? That question shifted everything, because fitness, health, and longevity, they don't happen by luck. They happen when you choose to prioritize your life on purpose. You know, women over 35 carry so much. Work, relationships, family needs, caring for aging parents, hormone changes, energy dips, and definitely stress. And all of it feels urgent. So your fitness and your health slides down the list. Not because you don't care, but because you're tired and you're stretched way too thin. But here's the thing, your life will not magically create space for your fitness or your health. You have to create that space on purpose. If you don't prioritize your strength now, you lose it faster after 35. If you don't protect your energy, it drains faster. If you don't build healthy habits, life gets heavier, not lighter. You know, this series is going to help you change that. Today's just the big picture, the why. Here's the message to hold close for yourself. When you prioritize your life, you do not just make more time. You create the fitness, the health, the strength, and the longevity that you want. That's how you stay independent. That's how you stay mobile. That's how you stay strong. And that's how you stay confident as you age. So let's set the foundation. Your body must be your top priority. Not the last thing on your list. Not the thing you do when everything else is done. When you move your body every day, your whole life lifts. Clear mind, lower stress, better metabolism, more confidence. You don't fit fitness or health into your life, you build your life around it. Energy comes from habits, not age. Feeling tired is not your destiny. You know, most low energy in women 35 plus isn't just age or destiny. It usually comes from too little movement, not enough protein or nutrient-dense food, poor sleep, chronic stress, and yes, sometimes shifting hormones. The fix is simple, and it's simpler than you think. Put protein in every single meal. Aim for 25 to 40 grams per meal. It's the number one thing most women are missing. Take daily walks. Even 10 to 20 minutes flips the switch on energy. And if you can get outdoors to do that, even better. Prioritize sleep like it's your job. Calm the nervous system. Deep breathing. 2 minutes mindfulness. You know, whatever works for you, and you may have to experiment to find that for yourself. Choose real, whole, organic foods most of the time. Now stack these small habits and your vitality comes roaring back. And if you've cleaned up all the basics and you still feel a bit off, get your thyroid, iron, hormones checked. You deserve real answers, not just it's your age. Strength is built in minutes. You don't need long workouts. 10 minutes a day of intentional movement does more for your longevity than waiting for the perfect workout. Strong legs, strong core, strong mind. Consistency creates them. Prioritizing your life brings your goals back to life. When your schedule's packed, your goals shrink. But once you take your power back, your goals feel possible again. You start walking more. You start eating better. Your commitment comes back and your momentum returns. You learn to stay calm when life gets busy, and life will get messy. But when you prioritize your life, you stay steady. You respond instead of react. This is pure gold for fitness and longevity. Calm helps you stay consistent. Consistency transforms everything. When you learn to prioritize your life, everything gets easier. You walk more, you move with intention more, you eat real food, you sleep better, you think better, and you age slower. This is how women 35 plus thrive. This is how you build strength for life. Now let me ask you this. What do you want your fitness, health, and life to feel like 6 months from now? More energy, more strength, more confidence, more freedom in your body? You can have that. And it starts by learning how to prioritize your life in simple, intentional ways. If you want support on this journey, join my fitness and longevity newsletter. Weekly tips will be sent out to help you move better and feel more alive. So, a reminder again, move more, move well, move often. You've got this. I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com, and if today helped you in any way, take a moment to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel. Tap the bell so you never miss any new tips. Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Thanks for being here. Enjoy.